They say age brings wisdom, but it also brings slower muscles, weaker energy, and a body that doesn't bounce back the way it used to. And here's the shocking part. Many seniors who try creatine are taking the wrong type and missing out on the real benefits. That's where Creatine HCL enters the picture. But is it truly the best choice for you after 50? Or just clever marketing and a fancy label? Let's unpack the truth step by step. You see, creatine has been studied for decades. It's one of the most researched nutrients in the world of muscle health and energy. But most people only know one version, creatine monohydrate. It works, but it can cause stomach discomfort, bloating, or water retention in some people. That's why scientists started developing other forms. Creatine hydrochloride, or HCl, has quickly become the new favorite because it dissolves better and may be easier on digestion. Imagine trying to stir sugar into cold water. Some sugars just sit at the bottom, while others disappear quickly. Creatine HCl is like the sugar that dissolves instantly. It mixes smoothly, and your body may absorb it more efficiently. That's why it's gaining attention, especially for seniors who want to avoid stomach issues or pills that feel heavy. But here's where the story gets interesting. Research shows that both monohydrate and HCl can help with energy, muscle support, and recovery. The difference isn't about which one works, but which one your body tolerates best. Think of it like shoes. Two pairs can be the same size, but only one feels truly comfortable for your walk. Now, why does creatine matter so much for people over 50? Because as we age, our muscles lose strength faster than we realize. That weakness isn't just about lifting weights. It affects balance, walking speed, even getting out of a chair safely. Creatine fuels the tiny engines inside your muscles, called mitochondria, so you can move with strength instead of fatigue. Research even suggests creatine may support brain energy, which is why it's being studied for memory and focus in seniors. So how can you actually use Creatine HCl if you're over 50? Here are 3 natural strategies to make it safe and effective. First, start small. Unlike creatine monohydrate, HCl doesn't need a big loading phase. You don't have to take large amounts up front. Many seniors do well with just 1 to 2 grams per day. That's like half a teaspoon, much easier on the stomach. Second, pair it with water and meals. Think of creatine like a sponge. It pulls water into your muscle cells where it's needed. If you're not drinking enough water, you won't feel the full effect. A glass of water with your daily dose, ideally with a protein-rich meal, may help it absorb better. Third, stay consistent. Creatine works like a savings account. One deposit won't change your life, but daily deposits build real strength over time. Taking it every day, even on days you don't exercise, keeps your muscles and energy levels steady. Here's a bonus tip. If you're already taking collagen for joint health, pairing it with creatine may give you a double advantage. Collagen supports your tendons and joints, while creatine supports your muscle strength. Together, they create a stronger foundation for mobility. So, is Creatine HCl the best type of creatine for you? The truth is, it may be the most comfortable and easiest to digest option for many seniors, but the best type is the one you'll actually take consistently. Both HCl and monohydrate can support muscle strength, energy, and even brain health. The key is finding the version that fits your body, your digestion, and your lifestyle. The big takeaway here? Don't let confusion about labels stop you from protecting your muscles as you age. Muscle strength is the currency of longevity. Every gram of creatine is like putting energy back into your account, giving you more strength, balance, and confidence for the years ahead. If you want a step-by-step guide to rebuilding strength naturally after 50, check out our Muscle Revival Blueprint, a 30-day plan designed to reverse age-related muscle loss safely and naturally. You can download it instantly with the link below. And if you found this helpful, don't miss the video showing on your screen right now. Best Protein After 60, Top 5 Foods That Keep You Strong and Energized. It reveals the everyday foods that make all the difference in keeping muscle healthy after 60. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried creatine before, or are you considering it now? Share your thoughts in the comments.